The first up on my list is coffee. It's not just coffee, though, it's trade coffee. Keep an eye out for this simple when you're out and about in the supermarkets. It basically means that the farmers that grew those products at a fair price for them. The coffee is fair trade, as is the chocolate and the banana. But it's not just limited to these products, things like wine and flour, also in fair trade. So do keep an eye out for that symbol when you're out and about in the supermarket.
Banana.
The next up on my list is sustainable cod, and we've seen have a really bad habit of predator fishing the same fish over and over again, which does have a negative impact on our population. For more information on which fish are good and sustainable to buy, do head over to Stingray Bay, you can pick up those there. But this is dolphin friendly tuna, and no dolphins are accidentally caught in the process of catching them, which is much better for their population out in the wild as well. And then lastly, a nice and gently with a speed check. This is a free-range egg laid by a hand that has lots of room to run around. Gently, don't break it. That's a good round of applause.